How to text a girl you like. Just copy this examples. Part 2. 3. Comprehend what to contend a young lady. When you've arrived at the point where you're messaging her consistently, you'll have to realize what to contend a young lady to prevent your discussions from getting stale. Keeping your content discussions intriguing makes her sure that you're the person to hold her consideration. As you become more acquainted with her, you will discover an ever-increasing number of things to discuss normally. However, from time to time you may end up requiring thoughts. Try not to let messaging become an errand. Keep it crisp and fun by investigating new subjects and finding better approaches to start and end the day of messaging her. Choice number 1, pose inquiries to ask a young lady over content. Realizing great inquiries to pose to a young lady over content will ensure you're constantly prepared with something fascinating to discuss and can break you out of any messaging group. The key is picking addresses that suit your motivation. Choose on the off chance that you need to pose a coy inquiry, an individual inquiry, or an amusing inquiry. At that point, be prepared to react to her answer. Indeed, even the best addresses reverse discharge in the event that you don't show enthusiasm for her reaction. Great writings to send. When was the last time you got in a difficult situation? What are you most pulled into in someone else? What do you believe is the most disillusioning thing about growing up? Writings like these are incredible at keeping discussions intriguing in light of the fact that they give such a great amount to discuss. And keeping in mind that a few themes could come up normally, a few inquiries never get replied on the off chance that they never get inquired. Be prepared to offer your very own responses to these inquiries, as well. Try not to send these writings. Do you like motion pictures? While motion pictures are an incredible theme of discussion, this is a horrible inquiry. The yes or no arrangement doesn't give her any place to take the discussion. Pick addresses that are open-finished to get her to open up about herself.